I always keep extra packets of HDL, mala sauce paste in my kitchen standby. knots. One teaspoon light soy sauce. 1 teaspoon chicken powder. Stir fry. Add half cup of water, cover the lid and let it simmer with low flame. Make sure to stir, fry occasionally to avoid bottom burned. Plate mala radish and let's enjoy this delicious food. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel, so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. YouTube. There are more than 1,000 recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. Underneath the numbing flavor of mala, there are health benefits to it as well. It helps stimulate the digestive system and reduces bloating and inflammation. It is also high in iron, which helps with the function of red blood cells, zinc to boost immune system, and potassium to reduce blood pressure and cholesterol. Dried chili contains minerals like folate, potassium, and thiamine, and is a good source of vitamins A, B, and C. Capsaicin, the compound that makes chilies hot, is even said to help lead to weight loss. What helps settle your stomach after eating spicy food? Answer is ice cream, milk, cottage cheese, and bread, or another starchy food might help settle your stomach after eating spicy food. What should I drink after mala? Order iced lemon tea or lime juice with your mala. These two particular drinks have the acidic content from their respective fruits that neutralizes the capsaicin of chili peppers. YouTube. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.